Once upon a giggle-filled morning in Moo-Moo Meadow, all the animals woke up to something very strange. The sun rose, the flowers bloomed, and the cows stretched their legs. But when Farmer Finn came out to greet them and called, "Good morning," a big brown cow named Daisy opened her mouth and shouted, "Baa." Farmer Finn blinked. Did my cow just sound like a sheep? Daisy blinked too. Ba, wait, huh? All across the farm, things were going completely bonkers. Clucky the chicken flapped out of the coop to greet her chicks and proudly went, "Neigh." Her baby chicks froze. "Mama, are you a horse now?" I don't know," clucked Clucky. "I had a weird dream about hay." Buster the dog chased his tail in circles and barked happily, "Oink. Oink. Oink." He stopped mid-spin. "Wait. Oink? That's not right." Penny the pig rolled in the mud and let out a big squeal, but instead of a piggy sound, out came, "Meow." "Meow?" Penny asked in shock. "Where's my oink?" The farm is in a fuzzle. Farmer Finn called an emergency meeting. "All my animals have mixed up sounds," he cried. "How can I fix this before the fair?" Just then, a tiny voice spoke up from the grass. It was Tilly the turtle, wearing round glasses and a bow tie. "I may be slow, but I've read every book in the barn," said Tilly. "I think a silly wind called the Switcheroo Breeze blew through the farm last night." "It swaps sounds for fun," Tilly explained. "But don't worry, there's a cure. We must find the right sound for each animal, and sing them back into place." Time to sing the right sounds. Tilly led the animals in a big, silly sing-along to help each one find their sound again. First up was Daisy the cow. They sang, "The cow in the field goes moo moo moo, moo moo moo, moo moo moo," musical note. Suddenly, Daisy gave a happy twirl and let out, "Mo." "I'm back," she cheered. Then Clucky the chicken hopped forward. Everyone sang, "The chicken in the coop goes cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck," musical note. Poof. Her neigh was gone, now she clucked proudly. "Cluck. My chicks are so relieved," she beamed. Next was Buster the dog. They sang, "The dog in the yard goes woof woof woof, woof woof woof, woof woof woof." With a happy tail wag, Buster barked, "Woof. Woof." Yes. I missed my bark. Last came Penny the pig. The pig in the pen goes oink oink oink, oink oink oink, oink oink oink. She rolled happily in the mud again and snorted, "Oink. I'm back to my bubbly, muddy self." The Farm Sound Festival. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!